Guys, try pa rin natin laruin yung ML kahit basag na tong ating cellphone. Laglag kasi ito guys, hulog, walang screen protector to guys. Yan, direct basag. Yan na, tayong pang game. Wala na ta, mag-quit ng ML. Wala tayong pang games eh. Yan yung ating hero, si Lirinus.